Hello guys, welcome back to the Agros channel. Today we will starting the disease of different crops. We will be starting with bacterial leaf blight of rice, which is also known as bacterial leaf spot or postman diseases. When we study diseases, we need to learn about three things. Okay, three things. The first thing that we must see is the cause. The second thing is the symptoms of the diseases. And the third thing that we must see is its control or management. So, moving on to the topic, first we will see the causal organ. The causal organ is the Xanthomonas oryzae. Okay, Xanthomonas oryzae, remember this scientific name. Okay, there is nothing else to remember. Just remember the name exactly. Xanthomonas oryzae is the causal effect of bacterial leaf blight of rice, or it is also known as bacterial leaf spot or Postman disease. Okay, as we are studying Postman disease, there is also Richman disease. If anyone knows what is Richman's disease, then write in the comment section and I will pin the right answer in the comments. Next, we see that the bacteria enters through the cut wounds in the tips of the leaves and then it becomes systematic and kills the whole plant. Now we have to see the word systematic over here. And what is systematic or systemic? We call a disease systemic when the disease spreads from the point of infection. From the point of infection, okay. From the point of infection to the other parts or the organs of the plant and causes death of that organ or plant, and as a whole the plant dies slowly due to the failure of different organs or parts. Understood? So, what is systemic? Systemic is the transfer of disease from a point of infection to the other parts of organism, and then killing of that part or organism organ, and ultimately leading to the death of the plant. Okay, this is the systemic disease. And in bacterial leaf blight, when the bacteria enters the cut wounds, it the infection point of infection is the cut wounds at the top of the leaves, and this ultimately leads to the death of the entire plant because it is systemic in nature. Okay, the problem, which is problem of bacterial leaf spot, is mainly seen in soils where there is poor and deficient conditions of nitrogen in the soil. Okay, under poor and nitrogen deficient soil conditions. Remember this point. Next, we will see the symptoms. The main symptoms is all noted over here. So the first symptom is the disease is usually seen during the heading stage. When it is seen during the heading stage, and but it can also occur earlier also. Okay, when it occurs earlier, it is in the seedling stage. Okay, crescent. We see crescent as in seedling stage. Okay, it is what now? What is crescent? Crescent is nothing but wilting of the seedlings. But we have to remember this name because it is important. Okay, crescent is not so, yeah, very tough word. Okay, but we have to remember this word since it is a question may come from the following topic, that which of the following is true for the bacterial yeast plot, and one of the options says that crescent is seen in the old plants which is false statement. Okay, but if you don't remember what is KNACK is, then you will not be able to answer it. So the next symptoms that is seen in the is the yellow bacterial ooze. Okay, where here we can see the ooze. Okay, I don't think so. This is the fresh ooze. This is the crystallized form or the dried off part. Okay, of the ooze. Okay, it's when it dries up, it occurs like a bead-like incrustations. Okay, bead-like. This is the bead-like incrustation of the bacterial ooze. Okay, and it is a very distinctive feature of bacterial diseases. Okay, and it is very hard to distinguish it from the normal dew or sap of plant for inexperienced persons. But you can look for the bead-like incrustations as it is seen in the picture, which occurs due to the drying up of the bacterial ooze. Okay, so one more thing to remember is that the blighting spot infects the tip of the leaves and and it spread from upper part to the base of the leaves. Okay, means it from the tip to the next base part. Okay, so we can say that it is moving downwards. Okay, it is moving downwards. We will see the management. Okay, the first thing we need to see is that use disease free certified seeds. Okay, and this is very common for almost all the diseases. The second thing is to clean water drains from time to time as to prevent spreading of diseases from other places. Okay, to prevent spreading of diseases from other places. The third thing that is the seed treatment by soaking with streptocycline 0.15%. Okay, remember the percentage. Questions might come from this part, and Syrian 0.05% for 12 hours and then followed by hot water treatment at 50 to 54 degrees centigrade. Okay, the third this is the third point of management, and fourth thing is that 3 to 4 sprays of 75 agromycin. Okay, this is after the planting of this is after the planting. Okay, and this is before planting, means in the when it is only in the seed stage, means I am planting the seeds. So this is the seed treatment method, and this is after planting. 3 to 4 of sprays of 75 gram agromycin, 100 plus 500 copper oxychloride in 500-liter water is given. Okay, since it is seen a lot in the nitrogen deficient soil, so nitrogen management of the field is very important. Apart from this, there are some resistant varieties also there. The resistant varieties like Ajay, PR10, IR20, IR22, DV86, TKM6, Ratna, etc. These are the resistant varieties and can be used in the management of the disease. Thank you. That is all for today. In the next video, we will meet with another disease of rice. Bye.